Hi everyone, this is Zen the Crypto Queen. I have a Facebook page of the same name. Twitter, I'm XRP Crypto Queen. This video is mostly for newbies. If you're buying and you're brand new, Coinbase is a very good exchange. There are several others that I use, but this one is the simplest to use. It does have a few fees, but it's nominal and it's very easy to use. There is a link in the description box below. You can sign up for Coinbase and a few others. You'll see them in the description box. If you want to hit me up to find out about the others, that's fine, but Coinbase is a good one for new people. All you do is put in your email address, create a password. Please make sure you have 1 to 3 notebooks. I have a SHIELDFOLIO, which is the one that I keep next to my ledger. SHIELDFOLIO is colorless ink. It needs to go under a light for you to see it. That's the one I keep closest to my ledger. A ledger is, it looks like a flash drive. It is to keep your crypto offline completely, okay? I use that for the bulk of my portfolio. As you can see, I only keep very little amounts on here. And the only reason why I keep any in here is as I buy. Sometimes I use it for purchasing NFTs or other things. So I keep it on a hot wallet, which is this, Exodus, okay? So, oops. I'm going to get to that. Exodus has many different coins, as you can see here. If you want to look one up, it has Bitcoin. It has everything, pretty much. Some of the smaller coins, not so much. But we're going to move my Sollana to here today, and I'm going to show you how fast this goes, okay? All right, watch this. Simple. Okay, you see buy and sell, so I can click buy. My Wells Fargo account is already hooked up to this. So if you are brand new, what you would do is click on buy and sell like I just did. You could buy $50 worth and you could set it up on a repeat basis, weekly, monthly, whatever you like. See where it says one-time purchase, or you can do daily, weekly, 1st and 15th. Interesting. Okay, 1st and 15th. I guess that's when a lot of people get paid. Anyway, you could set all that up at these different rates, or you can just do it randomly. It's up to you. And when you click on pay, it will lead you to where you would put your bank account or debit card number in. It's very simple. I've been using this exchange since 2011, I think it is, and it's very stable, no problems, okay? So that's how you buy and sell, but today we are going to send. So I am going to send, let's see, I think I'll send $50 worth just for these purposes, and they want the address that I want to send it to. So I am going to go here, and on my Sol network, I want to receive my Sollana. So I'm going to click on that. It copied it. Okay, we can shut that and minimize that. And I am just going to pop that address. Oops, didn't mean to put an X there. So let me just blank it out. And I'm going to, there we go. Command V, no message, continue. Okay, I'm going to look at everything. Payment will be received in less than a minute. They're going to charge me 0.000005. I'm okay with that. Total $50, send now. Okay, if you don't know what a Google Authenticator app is, let me know in the comments. I will show you how to set that up as well on your exchanges and get that all done. It's simple. I keep it on my phone. I'm looking up the number now. Let's see. Coinbase. Okay, 7, 8, 9. They change every 30 seconds, so I don't care if you see this because it won't be the same next time. Okay, now it's got dancing dots. Dancing. And it's done. Let's see if they're accurate on that. Let's go here and see activity. Let me scan down. No Sollana transactions yet. What you hear when it does come in, it sounds like crinkling paper, so I'll stay online long enough for you to hear it. It should be a matter of seconds. So let's go to portfolio. And there it is. You see it? Received. So there you have it, and that is it for today. I'm going to do other market overviews and other how-to videos. If you have a special request, you let me know what you would like to do as a new person involved with cryptocurrency. That is what I am here for. I also like to give the market overview for those of you who have been following along for years or Maybe you just got into it. I mean, you are still a new adapter, my friend. So just stay tuned, and thank you so much for staying with me, and I will see you on the next video. Ciao for now.